What is up guys, Sophia here, and I am back with what was supposed to be a very easy tutorial, but this actually took me a lot longer than what I wanted it to take because I was too busy trying to struggle with this. I wanted a bun that looked like it was in bondage and I couldn't stop messing with it until I got it right. So it legitimately just took a very long time. But needless to say, I'm not gonna worry you with all of that. If you want to know how to get this hair, then stay tuned for the tutorial. Okay, so I have already parted the front part of my hair just to save some time. I figured y'all wasn't trying to see that on camera. And I'm going to start by parting some triangles. And this side is always the trickiest just because it's a weird triangle, but once we get it rolling, it's gonna go like that. I just feel because it's the edge of your head, it's just, I don't know, difficult. It's not gonna look like a triangle. So, after you have the first one, you're just going to continue the triangle pattern like so. And this one will probably be the last one that I do on camera just because I think you get the picture. So, I just wanted to show you how to continue this pattern. And then, you'll start from where this point is, and then you're going to make a diagonal part, and then you're going to continue. And then obviously when you do this one, you're just going to keep on like that till you complete all of your head. So I'm going to put this in, this, and then I'm going to be back just when the front is done. All right, so I am back, and as you can see, my little triangles, they're not perfect, but once we get going, it'll look all right. All right, and so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take all of this up and put it in a ponytail. I'm not doing anything special to the back. I'm just gonna gather it all in a high ponytail so that we can get ready to create the bun. All right, so now we're up in a ponytail, and I'm just going to get some braiding hair. So then I'm just gonna use the little rubber band part to attach it around my actual bun. And then I'm gonna put this in a braid. And then I did braid very loose just to pull it out to make my bun, do some stuff, make it bigger. Now, I got this braid. I know it looks flicked, but I did it, and this is gonna go around the bun. We're gonna actually attach this. You can, I know y'all are like, what the heck is happening? I promise you it's gonna look good, but I did it like this on purpose. Just trust that I know what I'm doing. All right, so this is gonna go over. You're gonna flip this like so. I'm just gonna place a rubber band over it to keep it kind of in place. I'm actually gonna put this in the middle. I'm just going rogue at this point just because I want it to look more, complicated than what it needs to be. And then as far as this, you're gonna just do something super decorative with it. Okay, I'm weaving my thing through the bun, and I'm actually gonna make another one of these just because I want it to be more happening, and this one did not do its job. It's not as flashy as I want it to be. So I'm actually going to make another one just because I want more of these, maybe even two more, just because I want these kind of weaving in and out. And so I'll be back and I'll show you what I come up with. All right, I am back, and I did adjust my bun a little, adjust this a little bit just because it was cutting off my bun, and now I have made more of these. I made one like this with just the thingies, one with just these and one with the string. I'm just gonna attach this around the bun. Since I didn't tie it, I have to bobby pin it like this. Then the last one, I just kind of got to kind of put everything together. This last one. I'm gonna just pull some hairs out just because I want the bun to look more non-organized, if that makes sense. So I'm just pulling the little spots between the between these things that I put on, if that makes sense. All right, I had to readjust this so many times to get it the way that I want. I want it to be like a messy bun type situation on top of looking like it's in a butterfly. Maybe I'm trying to do way too much, but really I'm just like still pulling because I want it to look more like my bun is in bondage or something. I don't know if that makes sense, but I have a specific thing going on that I want, but I'm just about to leave it alone, and then we still have to do other stuff. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is add some little jewel things here. And I'm just placing them over the rubber. All right, guys, this is what I came up with. That's about it. I am done struggling with these. I'm done, so I'm not even gonna do a long outro. If you like my hair, if you like me, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, follow, depending on what platform you're watching this on. You know, feel free to give me something. And I will talk to you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all.